Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I am showing you my two Silkstone Barbie dolls. It is my Mattel 75th Anniversary Barbie doll and it is the first reproduction of the classic 1959 black and striped white swimsuit Barbie doll, but with a Silkstone body for the first time. The other doll is the Ken 60th Anniversary Silkstone doll. But to begin with Barbie, I have opened this before, so it is not an unboxing video really. I opened it before and take it out of the package. She is actually really pretty. Just look at her face. There is also a classic stand, the ones with the holes in the feet, like the only first dolls had. She was released in 2020 and she was released in 20,000 copies. This is the tag. I removed it from the arm, but I saved it because it's a really nice tag. And there are a classic type of sunglasses like was with the first Barbie. And these sunglasses, they are like really well made. They have like screws and everything on the sides, so they are really well made. The Silkstone dolls, they are usually put very easily in the boxes, and they are easy to remove and put back for display. Like here, she's just tied in the box, and I have just put her back because it looks really nice and it keeps the doll whole. It won't break or anything. Her hair is very smooth and very pretty, more pretty than the original Barbie doll hair. And she has the light eyes, the ones that looks like they are like white. The ponytail is very smooth, and I am sure that this ponytail covers the whole head because I have a classic vintage Barbie doll, and the ponytail is like just put over the. It's in the vintage Barbie, the ponytail covers like a bald spot more or less. It's not a very nice hair on those actually. The shoes are with a hole in it, and the feet have a hole in it like the original. You would just put the doll on a stand with spikes, and there is a stand like that with this doll. A confusing thing with this collector doll is that it's called the 75th Mattel Anniversary doll, but it is because it's the anniversary for the Mattel company and not Barbie especially. And this is the doll stand I was telling about, where you just put spikes in Barbie's feet. And I will try to show you the glasses a little bit better because they are really neat. But her hair is very thick, and I really don't want to break the glasses that way. But it's a really cute look. It's the classic glasses look, and they are really well made, wonderful. But I must say, I really think that Barbie looks better with the glasses on her head like an accessory and not with them covering her beautiful eyes. So I usually don't display with glasses if not for a very short while, because I don't want the glasses I don't want the glasses to disappear or anything, when I'm moving things around. But I will try to show you the vintage kind of stand. and it's two spikes, and the doll has holes in the feet and holes in the shoes, and you just put it in there, and it really stands very safely. My dog is making sounds. It is actually a very nice stand, but maybe it was too hard to make holes in all the shoes and in all the feet. But it was the first solution for a stand, and it is quite a good solution for a stand actually. But it really shows her off well, and it looks really pretty when you put her up for display and such. And the hair is so beautiful. I really want to show it. The Silkstone doll package is like really cool. You can just put the doll back in the package and just keep her there. And it is great for a collector who doesn't really want to, destroy the package. Like you have seen me open the Barbie extras, and it is terrible. You have to really cut everything up, and it's bad. It's bad. So the Silkstone packages, they are really cool. And in the package there was also a certificate of authenticity, and I don't know, it's a gold label Barbie doll, so, and made in 20,000 copies, and so. Silkstone Barbie dolls, they are really much better quality than usual Barbie dolls. And they are usually very expensive, but if you are lucky, you may be like I was this time. You can find the dolls for maybe like $50 or sometimes like $30, like I got the Ken doll. So if you're lucky, you might find a really good price. So don't buy the first one if it's not something you really want at once and been waiting for a long time. You can like shop around on the internet and such. I will just put the Barbie doll back here. It's very easy to put it back so it looks good, and will keep her whole and safe. I will show my Ken doll quickly. And he is like a real stunner. I really think he looks like perfect, but he is not unboxed, so I will not do that right now. I will just show him because he is a good match for this Barbie doll. The dolls, they look like they're from the same line, but they are really not, because like the boxes are also in different sizes actually. So, but they are both gold label Silkstone dolls, made in 20,000 copies, and and they are both really good quality. And here are the Barbie and Ken Anniversary dolls next to each other, and well, maybe they came at the same time. It was both like 2020, maybe 2019 for the Barbie, but 2020 or such. And the Ken is Ken 60 years of Ken Anniversary doll, also a Barbie signature and gold label with a certificate. And this is one of the first Ken. It's the flocked hair Ken. He has like a feeling of real hair. And the first Ken had this very look, and it's very rare to find today. I don't have him in the original Ken doll. And when one finds it, the hair is usually gone almost. And he had a face that was a bit shiny because of the plastic at the time, and this has the very same kind of look, and it looks very authentic. And he has Silkstone body, and the stand that's with him is a more regular stand because he was never with a hole in the foot stand. He had the regular stand. He came some years after Barbie. He has a towel with him and a nice pair of sandals. And I really like the look of him, and they look so good together. They are so pretty together. I really think they match each other perfectly, and I'm very happy to have these Barbie and Ken anniversary dolls in my collection. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you like to see my Silkstone Barbie signature Barbie 1959 and Ken 1961 dolls reproductions, and I really hope that you like them. And just look at Ken's face. He looks exactly like the original flocked hair Ken, with that face that is almost like a little bit too much makeup and the glossy finish. And some have been not so happy with the glossy face, but I think it looks like perfect. So thank you so very much for watching. Bye bye.